Welcome back to the Simpson Road Business Channel. Today we're here to talk about corruption. This is the Gatekeepers Edition Part 9. We're not attorneys, nor do we offer legal advice. So we just got a judgment back from the court which states, we must hold pro se appellants to the same standards as attorneys, and all appellants must comply with the Supreme Court rules governing the contents of appellate briefs. Now, for us to combat that, this is what we have. When a litigant chooses to proceed pro se, his pleading is held to less stringent standards than formal pleadings drafted by lawyers and must be liberally construed. You want to use the rulings from the higher courts to combat all this corruption. They're attempting to treat people without a licensed attorney as an attorney. But to say that you're going to treat someone like a lawyer who never went to law school, that is ludicrous. That is incredulous. And these people should be called out and fired. Their pensions need to be taken because they're not judges. They are tyrants. These courts, they are not helping the people. They're trying to suspend due process of law. They're just going against the people's will. And it's time for the people to call it out. Enough people are not going into these courts and filing claims. That will be the greatest transfer of wealth, getting what these people have already taken away from the people. You have to speak out against it. If they say, oh, we're going to treat you like a lawyer off the bat, that's unconstitutional. Now you're seeking to violate my substantive and procedural rights. That is serious. That is a breach of contract. That they're acting outside the scope of their authority and acting without jurisdiction. Complaints need to be filed against these criminals. They are not acting as the judiciary. They're just acting on their own accord. These tyrants, this is what they're doing. And I want you guys to know that this is of public importance. And this is what's going on. It's warfare. I love you guys. Take care.